Welcome guys to a quick tutorial on how to build SFML, and we're going to use the MinGW, Toolchain and code blocks. So first off we need to get the different tools, so we go to the project and download the installer. I've already done that, which will look like this, and you just have to make sure with the setup that you actually install the C++ compiler, and if you want to you can also install the MinGW developer toolkit or just the MSys basic system, whatever you like. But if you just use it for code blocks you don't really need it, but you can. So now that we got MinGW installed, so here, everything is here, we need that anymore. We go and get code blocks, quite easy to install. Also, since we already got MinGW, you don't actually need another MinGW version, so just go with the other setup, those two. And the third tool that we gonna need is CMake, and you can get it here, install it, quite easy. I think you will get that. So next thing is that we need SFML, the source code itself, so we go to GitHub, and then you can either check it out with Git or download the zip file. And I've downloaded the zip file here, and I've also already unpacked it. So now we get to the tricky part. CMake runs the way that it searches in the path for the compiler. Now if you installed it MinGW that it is in path automatically, or if you had added manually to the environment variable, then you're okay. But if not, we have to add it ourselves. So we start a command line, and I've already went to it doesn't exist. I went to the folder. Now we have to add that to the environment variable path. So we go set, then the path, MinGW, and the binary folder. We need to add the binary folder and the root folder, and then we add the existing variable like this. Now if you go print path, you already see that. Okay, so what we're then going to do, I've added CMake. If you don't, you have to specify the full path, but I've already added it, so I can just go CMake GUI elements. You can also use the command line, but I think it's easier to see what's going on. And then I'm usually building it in a separate folder, so to not clutter the other one. And then you can select code blocks, MinGW makefile, and it automatically detects the compiler, where it is, and there we go. So now we got still an error here that it hasn't found code blocks, the executable. So well, there's actually no error, but we're going to change that by providing the path to it, and that's just in code blocks, and here we go. I think that should do the trick. Configuration done, at least there's no error. Then I want to install SFML to a different folder, and this one mainly install. You can choose whatever you want, it doesn't really matter. And we want also to build the examples and release mode, yeah, that's okay. Configure generate, and now if we go back to the build folder, we got a nice code blocks project file that we can open. Now if you're familiar with code blocks, you will notice that it's not exactly as a usual project file, because there's also some CMake files that are referenced, and yeah, it's kind of a bit different, but it doesn't really matter. All you have now to do is also the build targets are different, but we want to build all of them. No, actually we want to install it, so we select install, and then we can just go and say build, and then you wait. And as you see down here, everything gets built, and we just have to wait. It takes a while. If you want to speed things up, you can actually go into Copilux and specify that it uses multiple cores of your computer, which actually speeds it up quite a bit. Yeah, let's just look at the build command. So we zoom through with SFML, gets installed. Oh, we have built everything, even the examples. And now we've got a release built. See, we've selected release. And if you now wanted a different one, different setting, you have to do everything over again. But for now, for this video, I'm just gonna leave it here. And yeah, we don't need that anymore. And we also can close the project. Now we're gonna start a new project to see how we can link SFML correctly. Create a new project, empty project. Always start with an empty project. It doesn't really matter. So we're here, SFML, and test type. I'm just gonna. Oh wait, okay. Test type 1. That way, new GCC compiler. That file. I'm just gonna add a main. Oh wait, I have to create a new file, new empty file, and add it to project. That's the way to go. Then we write a simple include SFML graphics HPV domain, and we want a render window with the video mode. Let's just go with not such a high resolution. Hello world. That's pretty much it for the window. I also always do the window set frame rate limit to 60, so my CPU gets a bit more room to breathe. And then we can start with the game loop. Let's open file, window all event, yeah, we haven't defined that yet, but if type is equal to SFML closed, can close the window. So that's pretty standard loop that you also see in pretty much every application written with SFML. So that's it. There isn't more we want to test. Now comes the hard part, to add the correct settings. So we've built for release, so we have to go to release. But since the search paths for both are actually equal, we can just go ahead. So we've installed it here. Let's see. So I'm just gonna copy that because I'm lazy, don't want to type or search. And I can add this here, install. Now we're in the compiler settings here, so we have to include, and then we have the libraries in here. Now we have to Now it comes to the linker settings, and those are project mode specific, so we go switch to release mode, add SFML graphics, and release mode, so no prefix, window, suffix, and system, and that's it. Let's compile, and we get undefined references. Okay, it's actually quite easy. You just have to make sure that you link target as release. So yeah, let's rebuild just to see it works. And now what we have to do is go copy the DLLs. We actually don't need network and audio. To our small application here, we can place it in the main folder and get started. And there we go. It works. Jeez. So I hope you got kind of insight on how to do this, and yeah, it's actually not that hard. Usually I go directly with the command line to compile because it's just quicker and easier than through the complex environment.